What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over a sales funnel that $25Dollar1Up has created for my $20 travel business. Before I do that, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you don't miss out when I drop videos on how to make daily cash. So if you don't know about $25Dollar1Up, you can check out my channel, or there will be some information below. But it allows you to get paid every single day, 100% instant commissions once you sell one of the digital product packages. But in this particular video, I just want to show you guys exactly what you will be getting if you come in at the gold level, at least the gold level. All you need to do is come in at the gold level to have access to this sales funnel for my $20 travel business. Now, I'm a part of my $20 travel business and it's converting. I don't know if you heard of my $20 travel business. You can use this system to help other people make money. So what I want to do is come over here to my funnels, and I want to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So I'm gonna come over here to my $1 sale funnel, because with my $20 business you could start for just $1, guys. And to me that's amazing, because almost everybody has $1, and if they don't have one, they can scrape one up, borrow one. So here, let me go right here. This is the sales funnel that $25Dollar1Up has created. And yes, I would like to take a test drive for $1. Guess what we're doing here? We're capturing the email, okay? We're capturing the email before they see what my $20 travel business has to offer. Now let me go to the regular page that my $20 travel business associate gets once they join this business. Now as you can see, guys, this is the page. It's pretty plain and it's pretty simple. Yes, this is a conversion page. People have made money with it, but at the end of the day, guys, as you can see, there's nowhere where you could capture your leads of how many people that actually went to your website. All they have to do is click the join now button. That's it. If you drove traffic to this website, you would lose out on a lot of money of potential buyers, because you're not capturing any leads. You can't see who came to your website at all. So that's one of the things I feel like people who are a part of this business lack. And maybe they found a way, to get a capture page in front of this sales page right here. But what $25Dollar1Up does is already has a built-in email autoresponder for this business, and it's unlimited on how many leads it could hold for you. So once they put in an email, guys, I'm just going to put in one of my emails, and I'm going to go to the next page. You already subscribed, so no, I don't want to subscribe again. Look at this, guys. This is a sales funnel, which is easy to see. It has the same pictures that are here. Let me scroll down to show you guys. It's transparent. No fluke. It's nothing, they're not trying to scam anyone. The same pictures, okay, are here. And you have 2 buttons. So it gives you a little bit about the business and what comes with it, how you get paid, and the different discounts that you get. So 75% off of 1 million hotel rooms, 90% off of 40,000 condos, and it's an international business. So that's what I like about my travel business as well, because it's easy for somebody to get started with $1. They're also getting discounts that they could resell as a product and make money residually every month, okay? So boom, they could come here. They could use this funnel to get started with you. This will be connected to your My $20 business account. We'll show you how to set it up once you get this system. So you have to get $25Dollar1Up, the system, in order to have access to this sales funnel and the lead capturing for your business. So what you want to do, if you're already a part of my $20 business, is come over here to grab my system. Now, all you need here, you could watch this video. It'll break everything down to you. But all you need here, guys, is the gold level. The platinum level will allow you to get more training, more Facebook training, Instagram, YouTube, and just more resources and tools that can help you. But if you just want to have access to that funnel, all you need to do is grab this gold level here, which is only 25 bucks plus a $10 admin fee. So roughly 35 bucks to have access to this sales funnel. And as you can see, guys, once you join here, you can earn 2 incomes, okay? So you can promote this to other people that have already joined my $20 business, or people who want to join my $20 business. That's 2 incomes right there once you join this system. So that's really the basics of this video, is that you could use this sales funnel that has been tested, that is converting, to get you more sales with my $20 traveling business. And once again, you only need the gold level. But if you want to succeed a little bit better, you could also get the platinum level, which allow you to also earn up to $125 commissions once somebody goes to this funnel that you will have access to and grab the platinum level. You will get that commission. It's 100% instant. Joining 25Dollar1Up to have access to the sales funnels that we have created for you. Now let me show you the other one. Here is another funnel that you will have access to for your $20 travel business. Simple, easy, and yes, I have $1. So you know that they have $1 if they go through here and put their email. And once again, it'll be the same sales funnel on the other side. It's just a different capture page, okay? So you could use $25Dollar1Up to elevate your my $20 travel business with this sales funnel that have been proven, okay? And once again, all you need is the gold level. So you would come here to step 2 if you are already a part of my $20 travel business and grab this $25Dollar1Up system that would allow you to earn more sales with my $20 business. Now, if you are looking for a travel business that is, you know, price worthy and you can get multiple discounts just for $1, then you would click step 1, okay? You would join this business right here, and it's $20 each month to have these discounts, which is not bad at all. I've been a part of some traveling companies that we pay $100 a month, $1,000 up front. So anybody will be happy to get these discounts for only $20 a month and a whole free month basically by just paying $1. So this is how you could use $25Dollar1Up to get more sales. You don't have to just focus on the money, okay? That's where a lot of people mess up. We actually do have tools and resources that can help other people and other businesses make money. So once you join this business, once you join me, we'll show you how to set up your my $20 travel business to this funnel page where you get all your commissions and all of your signups. So if you like this content, guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I drop a video on how to make some daily cash. But other than that, I'm out.